What's going on, guys? In today's video I got a very important piece of the puzzle to my build in the mail today from Z Automotive. It is not the Taser, it is actually the Transformer Gen 2, which is also going to tune the transmission for me. That's something I don't have to worry about. I do have experience with transmission tuning, but only with like 4L60E stuff, and that's about as far as my knowledge goes. And I really don't want to chance it with the NAG one. I'm sure with me being in Germany, I can kind of find someone who has experience with the NAG one, just because it is a Mercedes transmission and I'm sure they've done it before. But I'm sure with them manufacturing and selling plenty of these, there has not been any issues that I've seen online thus far. What this is also going to allow me to do is it's also going to allow me to have every benefit that the Taser has, but also tuning the transmission. They do offer a military discount, and I think I saved about $40 on that. So realistically, to upgrade from just a Taser to the Transformer was about $40, which, hey, if it tunes the transmission and it works correctly and it does everything that I need it to, perfect. That kills two birds with one stone. But this is also very important because it also is going to allow me to use my new steering wheel, which is the SRT steering wheel that I'll show you right here. Alright, so this is the SRT 8 steering wheel out of a 2012-2014 SRT 8. The reason I'm switching to this is, one, if you've ever seen the Charger steering wheel, they look like something out of a Caravan. They are completely ugly. This one looks really good. It looks better to me. I like it. And that's one thing, but definitely the most important part about this steering wheel is the fact that it has the paddle shifters, which is going to allow me to not have to take my hands off the steering wheel on the track in order to upshift and downshift. It's going to make everything really easy, and it's also going to look really good. I have made contact with an upholstery person. I'm going to get this reupholstered. As you can tell, it's kind of like a gray charcoal color. My interior is actually black. So I'm going to get this done in black leather. This part's going to be in black suede, and this is going to be in black leather as well. The stitching on the inside will be red. I'm thinking that's going to look really, really, really good. Hopefully they do a good job. Apparently this girl does stitching for the Porsche dealership and is doing this on the side. So there will be more to come once I get the steering wheel back, and I will go ahead and show you guys. The only thing that I'm missing to make this whole swap complete is the airbag. If any of you guys have any information in regards to an airbag, please comment down below. Give me some type of lead. I've been all over eBay and trying to find them. I just can't find them. With me being in Germany, I'm not able to go to a pull apart, LKQ, or anything like that. So if you guys have any leads, please let me know. Because once I have the airbag, this swap will be complete, and then I'll be able to use it and turn everything on using the transformer to use the paddle shifters. That is enough of me talking about the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what comes inside. So Z Automotive sent me this. I ordered it about a week ago. It's pretty quick shipping, considering the fact that they had to ship it to Germany. So this is the box where the magic happens. This is the Transformer Gen 2. Pretty decently sized. I'd say probably 3 inches by 6 inches. Yeah, 3 inches by 6 inches and 1 inch thick, maybe 1.5 inch thick. From what I'm understanding, you actually will hide this underneath the steering wheel, or excuse me, the dash panel, and it should fit in there. This is the connector that connects from the box to the wires that you will tap in to using this right here. I've actually never seen any of these before that actually go straight into a plug, so that's actually really cool. I'd probably like to find more of those. Look, they give you a USB cable. That way you can adjust your shift points and all the scaling needed to tune the transmission. As far as instructions go, it seems like you had to go online to www.zautomotive.com/instructions. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this content. I know you've been wanting probably for me to start installing these things that I'm getting in, because the last probably 4 or 5 videos have all been stuff that I've been getting in the mail. Unfortunately, with my job, I do work a lot and I'm always traveling. I don't have a normal 9 to 5 jobs where I would just get off at 5 o'clock and be able to work on the vehicle and work on the weekends. Most times I'm traveling all over the world, and unfortunately, I cannot work on the car while I'm in Africa somewhere doing some work. But the only thing I can do is order parts. So when I get back home, I have all these parts. That's why I've been posting these videos and haven't really installed anything. If you can see over there, I still have the catch can, the gauge pod, and everything else that I still need to do. I just have not had the time to do it. Hopefully looking at my schedule, I'm going to be here for a little while and I'll be able to get some stuff done for the car and be able to provide more content, not just talking about what I have, but actually showing you how to get it done and what it's going to improve on the car. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below if you found anything on the airbag that's going to be really helpful for me. And give me a thumbs up. Share this content, and I hope you have a great day.